Hello, kids. Are you ready for some fun? Today, we're going to play a guessing game about animal sounds. Can you figure out which animal makes a silly noise? Stick around until the end to find out the silliest one of all. Let's get started. Here's our first sound. Oink, oink. What animal makes that sound? Have you guessed it yet? Look, it's a pig. Pigs live on farms, and they love rolling in the mud. Isn't that funny? Can you say oink, oink like a pig? Try it. Oink, oink. Great job. Next up, here's another sound. Ribbit, ribbit. What could it be? Yes, it's a frog. Frogs love to hop, and they live near ponds. Look, there's a green frog sitting on a lily pad. Can you hop like a frog? Hop, hop, hop. Wow, you're great at hopping. Okay, let's try another one. Bay, bay. What animal makes that sound? Did you guess? It's a sheep. Sheep live on farms and have fluffy wool. Sometimes they're white and sometimes they're black. Can you say bay like a sheep? Say it out loud. Bay, bay. Wonderful. What about this sound? Quack, quack. Do you know who makes that sound? That's right, a duck. Ducks have feathers and webbed feet to help them swim. Look at that duck paddling in the water. Can you waddle like a duck? Quack, quack. You're doing so well. Here's another fun sound. Moo! Can you guess which animal says M-oo? That's right, it's a cow. Cows give us milk, and they love to munch on grass all day. Look at that big cow grazing in the sunny field. Can you say M-oo? Go ahead. Give it a try. Moo. Amazing. Now let's listen to a very different sound. Hiss. What animal makes that noise? It's a snake. Snakes slither on the ground, and some live in deserts, jungles, or even your backyard. Look at that long green snake. Can you say hiss like a snake? Hiss. Wow, you're brave. What about this one? Roar. Who says roar? You got it. It's a lion. Lions are big cats that live in the grasslands. Did you know lions are sometimes called the kings of the jungle? Look at that lion with a fluffy mane. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! That's very loud. Good job. Let's try one more sound. Hee-haw. What could it be? Yes, it's a donkey. Donkeys are helpful animals, and they live on farms. They can carry heavy things. Look at that gray donkey standing near the barn. Can you say hee-haw like a donkey? Hee-haw. Wow, that's great. Now it's time to find out the silliest sound of the day. Here it is. Gobble, gobble. Do you know who makes that sound? Yes, it's a turkey. Turkeys look so funny with their big feathers and red wobbly part on their neck. Can you say gobble, gobble? Gobble, gobble. That's so silly. You did such an amazing job guessing all the animal sounds today. Let's remember them together. Pigs say oink. Frogs say ribbit. Sheep say baa. Ducks say quack. Cows say moo. Snakes go hiss. Lions roar. Donkeys say hee-haw. And turkeys go gobble, gobble. Wow, that was so much fun. Give yourself a big clap for being so smart. Thanks for joining me today, kids. Don't forget to listen for animal sounds the next time you're outside. You'll be surprised how many you can hear. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye for now and see you next time.